Ka Federation of Khasi Jantia and Garo people mentakas ngigili kendu ya ke menteri ke rep keriang ke Sorkar Jylla ke kong amperin lingdo ban Dawa ban Pynmih da ke road delivery Challan ban pelat iki kali kit marap na ke jingsha krong pisa bian. Haba krenj kilat pathai kebor mentakas ngi ke artrik naitung u presiden ke Fkjgp u ba dandi khongsid ulaong. Bagi don kat tu kat ni ki briu ki bakrong khajna na ki kali kit marap hakeleng ke surok ba. Terkum ke jingong unong ilam ke Fkjgp laong bagi kali kit marap kila syak krong pisa hadu kat sanspa tingkah ayai.
Being lead by the Fkjgp agricultural cell. So actually they want me as president also to accompany them for certain issues to discuss with the agriculture minister. The first issue is with regard to the reminding of the road, the damage, huge damage of the road for Lumshnok, which it has been a big trouble for the vegetable traders for transport or for trading the vegetables to outside state of Meghalaya. So from the minister they told that okay fine, this problem or this issues has been taken up by the government. So even the money also has been sanctioned for the restoration of this road. And the second issues is with regards to these, the non-taxable vegetable is a non-taxable items. So we urge the agricultural minister to kindly, address this issue with the within the government only, that all these weighbridge they should not tax these vegetables vehicles. So those are the second point. And the third point is that they have urged the government to kindly notify the issuing of this road delivery Challan for all traders, for all Meghalaya traders, fresh vegetable association to kindly notify or recognize this delivery Challan, so that it will help the agricultural department also to get the accurate data or statistic from each and every district, what kind of vegetable products that has been produced in every district. Through this delivery Challan means the government can get the accurate statistics of the vegetables that have been produced by a farmer, so that they can do a good proper marketing. So these are the third points. And the fourth point is that we want also the government to regulate the farmers. The farmers means each and every district through the block development officer, the government should regulate the farmers so that we will get the accurate numbers of how many farmers are there in East Khas Hills or West Khas Hills, so that we will be able to understand what are the producer force that the government is having, so that when we get the accurate statistics of the vegetables products produced within our state, so we will also be able to understand even the demand of the market outside for different vegetable products. So if we get all these accurate information, so we'll be able to promote the agricultural sector within our states.
Well, how much?
Now the tax collection it differs from time to time, because why this is totally illegal. Sometimes they are it's not that they tax also. I think they are looting. They are looting 1,000, sometimes 1,500, sometimes 300. It depends from time to time. Even we cannot we cannot detect also those people, because why sometimes the vehicle has been moved from different area. So as for example from Smith, the vehicles has moved, but on the way to when it goes to Assam, on the way to Barnihat, some unknown miscreant or some in the name of the government only, they used to come and ask. If not, if you won't give them whatever fees they are asking, they will hold the vehicle 2, 3, 4 hours. So it is very hard also, suppose even from the leader from the association also, or even from the leader of the Fkjgp agriculture also, it's very hard for them to give a very quick response. If suppose incidents happen in Bonihat, to give a very quick response is very hard. So the truck driver mostly just to get away from them, they pay the money 500, 800, so that we can reach to their destination in time. So these things happen.
Well, you mentioned that some unknown think that drug